student, today we will do the revision of chapter 5, that is multiples and factors. In that portion I have taken out the conceptual part of multiples and factors. So first we'll see state true or false. Question number first, 36 is a multiple of 9. Is 36 is a multiple of 9? So this is true. Why it is true? First find out what is the definition of multiples. Multiples are always greater than or equal to the given number. So given number is 9 and 36 is greater than 9. Now we have to see whether this 36 comes in the table of 9 or not. So by dividing, if it is completely divisible, then definitely 36 will be in the table of 9. Or simply say the table of 9, 9 4 is a 36. So this is true. Now next question, 9 is a factor of 36. So this is also correct. This is also true. Why it is true? Always remember, factors are equal to or less than the given number. So given number is 36 and 9 is smaller than that, and 36 comes in the table of 9. Is that clear? Or 9 can divide 36 completely. Completely means if there the remainder is equal to 0. Is that clear? So this is also true. Or we can say that by these two statements, 36 is a multiple of 9 or 9 is a factor of 36, both are correct. Now see the third question, that is 36 is a factor of 9. So factors are always less than or equal to the given number. Given number is 9 and 36 is greater, so this is false. Is that clear? Now here, next question, 9 is a multiple of 36. So multiples are always equal to or greater than the given number. Here the given number is 36 and 9 is smaller. So this is also false. Is that clear? Now 103 is a multiple of 1. So is this statement is true or false? So this is true. 103 is a multiple of 1. Multiple means that number must be greater than 1 and it can divide it completely. So 1 can divide 103 completely. So this is true. 103 is a factor of 1. So this is also true. 103 is a factor of 1. Oh no, this is not correct, because factors are always greater than factors are always less than or equal to the given number. So given number is 1, so that must be equal to or less than 1. So this is greater, so this is false. So this is false. Now 1 is a multiple of 103. Multiples are always greater than the given number and this is smaller, so this is false. Now 1 is a factor of 103. So always remember, factors are less than the given number. So given number is 103 and 1 is less, and 1 can divide it completely, 103. So this is true. So we can get a conclusion that 1 is a multiple of every number. 1 is a multiple of every number. True. 1 is a factor of every number. True. 1 is once again 1 is a multiple of every number. So this is false. This is false. 1 is a multiple of every number. If suppose here the number is 2, not 1, for 1 this is correct, but for 2, if we are finding for 2, 1 is a multiple of 2, so that is multiple should always be greater than or equal to 2. So then 1 is smaller, so this is false. Is that clear? Once again, 1 is a multiple of every number, false. 1 is a factor of every number, this is correct. That's why 1 is a multiple of 103, this is false. 1 is a factor of 103, this is correct. Is that clear? This is true. Now see, 103 is a multiple of 103. So multiples and factors are equal, can be equal. So 103 is a multiple of 103, that is true. Now here, next question, 103 is a factor of every number. So the given number, the multiple factors are always equal to or less than the given number. So this is equal. So this is also true. So by these two statements we can get a conclusion, that is every non-zero means that number must be more than 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are non-zero numbers. So every non-zero number is a multiple of itself. Here see, 103 is a multiple of 103. This is true. So this is also true. Now last, that is every non-zero number is a factor of itself. See, 103 is a factor of 103. This is true, right? So every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Is that clear? This is also true. Is that clear? I hope you have understood all these are the important concepts regarding multiples and factors. So for the timing, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As usual, God bless you all.